Assalamu alaikum. Today I will discuss degree of directed graph and degree of undirected graph. Same like last lecture, okay? Look over here. See this one. Last lecture I explained up to here. This finished last lecture. Number 4. Now see number 5. Question number 5 here. Question number 5 is this. Question number 5. Find in degree and out degree of each vertex in the following graphs. Question number 5 to 6. You have to find in degree and out degree. Just remember, when graph is directed, then there are 2 degree, in degree and out degree. Okay. Let me start from here. This is the graph. You have this graph. Okay. See, you can see here. This is directed graph. See, in a direction module. Direction module here. This is directed graph. Direction module. The direction module. Right. Now, see the solution here. First, I will find this in degree. Right. How to find in degree? Explain here. See. First, you have to find in degree for all vertices, all vertex, full vertex. You have to find in degree. Now look here. In degree means this ishara hada degree of vertex v1. Hada ishara in degree yani minus. Okay. Look at this vertex v1. In degree yani how many edges coming towards v1. So this is v1 here. How many edges coming? See, hada going, and hada going. Not coming. No edge is coming here at v1. So this is in degree of this vertex v1 is 0. You understand or not? No edge is coming here at this v1. No going. So ishara hada. Hada ishara yani going. Hada ishara going. Hada ishara going. No edge is coming. Okay. In degree at vertex v1 is 0. Okay. Yes. 0. Now come to in degree. In degree at vertex v2. See this v2. Where is v2? v2 here. Other v2. Okay. This is v2. So how many edges coming? See, other coming 1. Here loop module. Other loop module. So if this loop is directed, you know, for the loop you have 2 degree. Okay. If undirected graph, then 2 degree. If directed graph, then 1 in degree and 1 out degree. Okay. Wahid, the graph is directed in a direction module. For the loop, if direction module, 1 degree for in and 1 degree for out. Okay. Look, see at this v here. Okay. This coming, yani hada coming yani 1, and this loop here this way coming. Okay. So one for loop and 1 hada, yani 2 degree. In degree is 2 here. In degree of vertex v2 is 2. Okay. If here module v2 and this v2, if this graph is undirected, if this loop is undirected, then degree always 2 for this vertex v2. But if here graph is directed, okay, then 1 for in degree and 1 for out degree. Total 2. Hada in and hada out. Okay. So here directed module. 1 degree for in, one for Hada in, and one Hada in. Hada coming. This one is coming to V2, and one in degree for this loop. 1 and 1 come 2 here. So in degree of vertex V2 is 2. Is it clear or not? Is it clear? Yes. Okay. Now come to in degree of vertex V3 here. V3 hina maujood. So Hada maujood V3. Now see how many edges are coming here. This one coming 1, this one coming 2, this one coming 3, and this one coming 4. So total 4 edges are coming, yani in degree 4 at vertex V3. Right? Now come to this vertex V4 here. V4 hina maujood here. Now see how many edges are coming here. Hada coming 1, and bagi kullo going, Hada going, Hada going, Hada going. Only one coming, yani in degree for V4, vertex V4 is 1. This one. 1. Okay? Right? Now I have to see out degree. Out degree. Okay? I have to see out degree. See this one. Out degree. So for out degree of vertex V1, the ishara Hada plus degree plus V1, yani out degree of vertex V1. Okay? So look, V1 hina maujood here. Now see here, how many edges are going outside from this vertex? How many edges are going outside? So Hada going outside 1, Hada going outside 2, and Hada going outside 3. 3 going outside. So out degree of vertex V1 is 3. Here? Yes. 3. Now come to here. Vertex V2. Out degree at vertex V2. Yani V2 hina maujood. Okay. So look. How many out degree? Hada coming. So Hada in degree, no. Out degree for the loop. 1 out degree for the loop. Okay. So out degree at V2 is 1. 1. Yes. Right. Now come this vertex V3. Vertex V3. Where is V3? V3 Hada. See here. How many edges are going from here? Hada coming, Hada coming, Hada coming, and Hada coming. No edge is going outside. Yani out degree 0 of vertex V3. Right? And now vertex V4, Hada, vertex V4. How many edges are going from V4? V4 here. Here maujood V4. Okay? So look. Hada going out, and Hada going out. 3. So 3 going out, yani out degree of vertex V4 is 3. Right? Yes, 3. Okay? So this way. In degree of vertex, any vertex, you have to see how many edges are coming towards that vertex. Coming yani in degree. Going outside from that vertex yani out degree. Okay. Now look here. Now total degree. How to find total degree? So look, total degree for this vertex V1. Here total degree of vertex V1. In a maafi minus maafi plus. Total kullo. So at vertex V1. So hina V1 0, then hina V1 talata. So sifar zayad talata yani talata. Total. Now total degree of vertex V2. At V2 here 1 and here 2. In 2 and out 1. So 2 plus 1 yani 3. Now look at vertex V3 total. Look. At V3 here sifar and here arba. Arba zayad sifar yani arba hana. At vertex V4 V4. Here talata, out talata, in wahid. So 1 plus talata is 4. Okay. So hada total degree. At vertex V1 total degree talata. At vertex V2 total yani in Zayed out. At vertex V2 total kullo talata. At vertex V3 arba. At vertex V4 arba. Okay. Now this is the directed graph. So directed graph all the time in degree and out degree, right? But if graph is undirected, in mafi out only degree. You have to see only degree. Like last lecture I told you. Here look. See this. Hara summation yani Zayed. Hara jama. Summation Zayed. So in degree. Kullo in degree Zayed kam. Kullo in degree Zayed kam. Sufana. Sifar Zayed itne. Zayed arba and Zayed wahid. Kam kullo saba. See this. 1 plus 4, 5 and plus 2, 7. So hada 7. Hada jama. Kullo in degree jama come 7. And now look here. Hada jama sum. All out degree. Zayed come. Here talata, Zayed wahid, arba and Zayed sifar arba and Zayed talata saba. So look. Out degree kullo in degree and out degree kullo jama come 7. In degree total in degree yusawi total out degree. See this. Total in degree 7 and total out degree 7. Okay. Number of edges. Number of edges come 7. Okay. See this. Total in degree 7, total out degree 7, and total number of edges 7. In degree kullo, out degree kullo, and number of edges kullo. All the time same in the directed graph. Okay. You can count the edges. So hada wahid, wahid hada and wahid hada. Talata and hada. Arba and hada. Hamsa and hada. Sitta and 1 hada. Saba. Okay. So total 7 edges are here. Right? Always same, yes. In Yusavi out and Yusavi number of edges. Okay. Number of edges, number of in degree and number of out degree. Kullo, majmua kullo all the time same. In degree majmua, out degree majmua, and number of edges all the time same. In directed graph. Okay. Now come to this question. Question number 6. Here. Look over here. Question number 6. Here graph mojo. Right? You have to find, and this is, you can see, this is directed graph. Okay. This graph G is directed. Low edge direction mojo. So the solution here. First you find in degree. In degree means ishara hada kullo. So in degree at vertex V1. Where is V1? V1 hada. Here so. How many edges are coming? Hada coming and hada coming, bus 2. In degree 2 here. And in degree at vertex V2 hada. How many edges coming? Hada coming, bus. Okay, so in degree at vertex V2 is 1. In degree at vertex V3. In degree of vertex V3. In degree of vertex is V3. See, this coming and this coming. 2. Yani in degree of vertex V3 is 2. And in degree of vertex V4. Where is V4? V4 here. In degree of vertex V4. Look here. This one coming and this one coming only. In degree of vertex V4 is 2. Now in degree of vertex V5. Where is V5? V5 hada. In degree of vertex V5, how many edges coming? Only this coming. Okay. in degree of vertex V5 is 1. Right? Now come over here. Out degree. Out degree and ishara hada plus plus kullo. Okay. So out degree at vertex V1. Where is vertex V1? Vertex V1 hada. How many out from here? Out from here only this is going outside. So out degree of vertex V1 is 1. And out degree of vertex V2. Look over here. This is vertex V2. Out degree from here this going and from here this going 2. So out degree of vertex V2 is 2. Right? Now out degree of vertex V3. Where is V3? Vertex V3 hada. Out degree of this vertex V3. How many edges out from here? This is out only 1. Out degree of vertex V3 is 1. Now vertex V4. Where is vertex V4? Vertex V4 here. Out degree of this vertex. How many edges going from here? This only 1. 1 is going. So out degree of vertex, out degree of vertex V5. Vertex V4 here. Okay. Out degree of vertex V4. From vertex V4, how many going? This going here and this going here. 2. So 2 here. And out degree of vertex V5, V5 here. Out degree of this vertex V5. This going and this going here. This going 2. Out degree of vertex V5 is 2. See this. Is it clear or not? You have to see from, if you want to see degree of any vertex, in degree you have to see how many edges coming towards that vertex, that is in, and how many edges going from vertex, that is out. Okay, coming and going, coming yani in and going yani out. You have to remember this. Okay, right? Now come over here. See this total degree at vertex V1. Okay. Here 2 and here 1. 2 plus 1 yani 3. Total आधा मजमुआ. Total यानी मजमुआ at vertex. At this vertex V1 total मजमुआ कम. आधा in इतने and out वाहिद. So 2 जायद वाहिद यानी तलाता. Total तलाता. And total at vertex V2. This vertex V2 here out 2 and in 1 यानी तलाता. And vertex V3 here 1 and here 2. 2 जायद 1 यानी 3. And vertex V4 here 2 and here also 2. 2 plus 2 4. And vertex V5 here 2 and here 1. 1 plus 2 yani 3 here. Total 3. Okay. Now look. See from here to here. From here to here majmua. Total in degree come. 2 plus 1 3 and plus 2 5 and plus 2 7 and plus 2 1 8. Total in degree 8. Okay. Total in degree. Hada isara jama. Hada isara jama. Majmua. Kullo total majmua in degree come. Samania. And here from here to here out. Out kullo come. Here 1 plus 2 3 and plus 1 4 and plus 2 6 and plus 2 8. Total 8. So in degree and this out degree same Isavi. And Isavi number of edges. Count the edges. Kullo edges. Count edges here. See this. Ada 1, Ada 2, Ada 3, okay. Ada 4, Ada 5, Ada 6, Ada 7, and Ada 8. Total 8. So number of edges 8. Below side 8. Right? Okay. So total in degree Samania. Total out degree Samania. And total number of edges Samania. Right? Yes. Now come to the next question. Question number 7. Same tariqa. Tariqa maafi mukhtalif. Same here. Okay, question number 7. See this. This graph मौजूद here, right? You have to in the, and this is directed graph. हमारा directed graph. Okay. Directed graph. G. Directed graph G other. Okay. So you have to check in degree and out degree. So first you see here this vertex A. In degree of vertex A is come. How many edges coming? Look over here. This coming 1. This coming 2, and here this coming 3. Total 3. Take it. Is it clear or not? Another coming, another coming, another going towards A. Okay. Now degree at B, in degree at B, in degree at B here, at this vertex here. In degree come. How many edges coming? This one coming, 2, and this one coming towards B, 3. In degree at vertex B is 3. In degree at vertex C, in degree at vertex C here, at this C. How many edges coming here? Look over here. This one coming here, and this one coming here. Only 2 coming. This in degree 2. Now in degree of this vertex D, this one. In degree of vertex D. How many coming here? This coming 1. This coming 2. This coming 3. This coming 4, and this coming 5. Here 5. Okay. So here 5. This is 5. Right? Now come for out degree. Out degree here. Out degree at vertex A. Out degree at vertex A. Here out. Here C out. How many going from here? This one going, this 2 going, and this going 3, and this going here 4. Out degree of vertex A is 4. Now out degree of vertex V. Out degree of vertex V. Out degree here. How many going from here? This one going, this going 2, and this going, another going 3. So this is 3 here. Check this. Right? Now out degree of vertex C. Out degree of this one. Vertex C. Here. Out degree from here. Look. Another going 1. This going 2. This going 3. This going 4. And this going 5. Out degree of vertex C is 5. This one. This. Out degree of vertex C is 5. Now out degree of vertex T here. Out degree of this vertex T. Out from here. Look. How many going from here? Only one going. Another going out. This is going out. So out degree of vertex T is 1. See this. Is it clear or not? Right? Okay. Now look. Then the total degree. Majmua. Total yani in and out majmua. At low vertex. And this A. Vertex A. Here vertex A out 4, and here in degree at vertex 4 is 3. So this 3 and this 4. So come. Saba. 3 plus 4 yani 7. And at this vertex B, here 3 and here 3. Total 6. And at this vertex C, here 2 and here 5. Yani 7. And at vertex D total, here 5 and here 1. 5 plus 1 equal to 6. Right? So these are the total. At vertex A, come in and out Jama kam 7. At vertex B, total 6. And vertex C, in and out, kullo, kamil, 7. And at vertex D, total degree of vertex D, in out 1 and in 5. So 5 plus 1 equal to 6. Now look over here. Hada kullo. In degree kullo majmua in degree. Jama in degree. Okay, look, this is 3 and this is 3. 6 and this is 2. 8 and this is 5. 13. Latas. So kullo in degree from here to here 13. And so father, kullo out degree come 4 plus 3 7 and plus 5 12 and plus 1 13. From here to here 13. So hada 13 in degree kamil and hada 13 in degree kamil. Out in degree and out degree here 13 13. Hada equal. Now hada isavi number of edges lazim 13. Hada 13 hada 13. Kullo lazim 13 number of edges. So count number of edges. Number of edges count here. Look. Hina come. Hada 2 here. 3 here. Okay, and hina come 2. And here come 3. So how much? This 2 and this 3. 5 and this 2. 7 and this 3. 10. Ashara. So hina jua. Hada 1 das and hada 1 itna asra 1 talatas. So total talatas edges. Okay. Kullo edges talatas. See this. 13 number of edges, 13 out degree and 13 in degree. Okay. So all the time same. In degree majmua kullo, out degree majmua, and total majmua edges all the time same. Directed graph. Okay. Right. Any question here up to here? To hear any question? Tell me. No, it's clear. Any problem? Any student, any problem? Any problem, then ask me now. Anywhere. In the exam, question will be like that. Find in degree and find out degree like that. Just wait 1 second. Okay, so any problem up to here? Tell me. Any problem up to here? Why? No problem. Yes, last chapter 9, that is a tree. Last chapter tree, that's very simple, yeah. This you can see this graph theory and last chapter 9 tree, that's very simple. No problem. Okay, so up to here, no problem. Now come to this. This point is here. See this matrix representation of graph. Okay, if any graph मौजूद, then how to represent that graph by matrix. Okay? So the first matrix is here called adjacency matrix. Adjacency matrix. So first I will discuss number A, adjacency matrix for undirected graph. Undirected graph. If graph is undirected, then how to find matrix corresponding to that graph? Okay, this is the question. Okay, so look here. Suppose the adjacency matrix of a graph G with n vertices, okay, and no parallel edges is n by n matrix. N by n matrix. Okay, n by n matrix yani n row and n column, right? This depends on vertices. Okay, depends on vertices. If any graph मौजूद two vertices, two vertex मौजूद, okay, then you will get 2 by 2 matrix. You will get 2 by 2 matrix like that. Okay, if any graph undirected graph मौजूद, suppose 3 vertex मौजूद, هذا 3 vertex, then you will get 3 by 3 adjacency matrix. Okay, how to get this? There is rule here. See, you will get the elements like that. Aij matrix will be get like that, n by n. If there is an edge between I and j, if edge मौजूद, you will write this 1. If there is no edge between I and j, you will write 0. Only you have to do this. If edge मौजूद, you have to write 1. If edge माफी मौजूद, you have to write 0. Okay? I will come to the example, then it will be clear to you. Okay. Same here. Number B, adjacency matrix for directed graph. Directed graph. Okay, if graph is directed and graph has n vertices, locum vertices n, then you will get n by n matrix. If talata vertices, you will get 3 by 3 matrix. If arba vertex, you will get arba by arba matrix like that. Okay? How to write this? Suppose if edge मौजूद, you will write 1. If edge माफी मौजूद, you will write 0. Okay? Now come to the question. It will be clear. Okay. So this I will discuss next lecture. Right? Today I will stop here. Okay. So this matrix representation of graph. Matrix representation of graph I will discuss at next lecture. Okay. Today I will stop here. If you have any question, then ask me. Do you have any question? Wahid, Muhammad Al Hussein. No question. Sam, no question. Wahid. Hassan, yes. Muhammad Al Hassan. Okay. Muhammad Ali. Okay. So any question you ask me, I will explain.